Hello, people. It's Perky Perkins. I have another little song for you. This is a very short song. It's more like a poem than a song. It's called A Rainy Day. I took a little drink upon a rainy day. I took a little drink to chase the blues away. I met a little lady. She lived right down the lane. I met a little lady. She took away the pain. We bought a little house, she didn't make a fuss. We bought a little house, it looked so good to us. We had a little family of 1 and 2 and 3. We had a little family, they looked so good to me. It was just a little drink upon a rainy day, just a little drink to chase the blues away. Well, that's it. Short and sweet.